How to make affiliate marketing work for beginners in 2023. So I'm gonna go very quick with this. So basically, you need to first decide on a niche, right? So basically, a niche is basically a segment of products or services to a specific purpose, right? So like some examples, the top three evergreen niches is love, wealth, and fitness. So for example, love has problems with dating. You have dating problems. Wealth, you have problems with money problems. Fitness, you have problems with yourself or your insecurities, right? So basically, that's what a niche is picking into something that you are passionate about, right? There's money to be made in all niches. So pick something in a niche that you're passionate about, that you want to teach people long term. Okay, so now that you know which niche you're going to go into, it's time to choose your affiliate platform, right? So basically, what that basically means is you're going to decide you want to use free methods or paid methods, right? So free could be like using your Facebook, using your Instagram, using your YouTube, using your TikTok, right? You get it. The social media platforms that everyone use every day in their lives pretty much. It's called free traffic because we're not paying anything to get people into and in front of our offer products, right? So now paid methods would be like solo ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, any ads you see that when you're on social media or any website that pops in front of you, people are paying a lot of money for that ad to be in front of you or whoever their customer is. And that is what paid ads is. They're paying the ad to be on top and the side, wherever it can get most engagement. It's what paid ads is all about. Okay. So now you need to find a relevant for marketing for your niche. You need to find a product you stand by. Again, I said this before earlier. I said you need to be passionate about this and you want this long term. There's money to be made in every niche. So pick something you're passionate about. You need to understand what the product does, and you also always have to stand by your product because if you're not confident about your product, people are going to sense it, and they know that I'm not going to buy from this guy because or this person because they don't sound confident about this product. So you need to sound confident, and you need to know your product. That way, you can know your customers. Okay. So now you're wondering, how do I create? How do I start, or how do I create content, right? So now that you got your product and you know your niche, it's time to basically create value. And how you do that? Well, first of all, you guys go onto the internet and be resourceful and look it up and look up for like products in your niches that are trending, that are that people are looking to solve the problems with, right? And basically, not everyone is going to like you, and not and even people ahead of you are not gonna have people liking them more than you. So it's better to start putting content out there because the more content you put out there, the more you're gonna get better, and the more consistent you're gonna be. And this is how you're gonna build your own audience because not everyone's audience is gonna be the same. Otherwise, everything would be very saturated. If there was just one person doing this and everyone was divided from this one person out there while everyone's trying to promote the same thing, it would be saturated, right? That means that there's no money made between anybody else being able to come in and fill it. So you need to focus on just creating value and building your own custom audience. And that comes from being consistent and putting content out there. With no content out there, you're going to get crickets. It doesn't matter how good your offer is or how bad your offer is. You don't have no audience, no one sees your offer, you have no audience, and no one's ever going to buy from you, right? Last, you need to follow the regulations where you put disclaimers of that you're an affiliate just to be safe. That's what I do. So yeah. And then now your job is now to share your results, your experience, your journey, and others how to avoid mistakes and improve themselves. And lastly, stay consistent. It's very easy to give up, and that's the last thing I want you to do. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching.